2 raised to the power 3x plus 1 is equal to 32. X is equal to, that means we have to find the value of x. For us to easily answer this question, first step, we are going to start by expressing the number 32 at the right hand side in index form with 2 at the base. 32 is simply equal to, if you take 2 times 2, it gives 4. 4 times 2 gives us 8. 8 times 2 gives us 16. 16 times 2 gives 32. It simply means 32 in index form with 2 at the base is simply equal to 2 raised to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 2 raised to the power 5. In the given equation, which is 2 raised to the power 3x plus 1 is equal to 32. We are going to replace 32 with 2 raised to the power 5. The left hand side is equal to the right hand side. You can see their bases are the same. Then equating their powers, this will imply that 3x plus 1 must be equal to 5. This is a linear equation. We have to solve for x in this linear equation. The next step, we have to transfer 1 to the right hand side. When 1 crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative. This will give us 3x to be equal to 5 minus 1. Then 3x will simply be equal to 5 minus 1, which is 4. Next, we have to divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 3. We divide both sides by 3. This will give us 3x divided by 3 to be equal to 4 divided by 3. Then, at the left hand side, 3 will strike off 3. We'll be left with x equal to 4 on 3. Then we conclude, therefore, the value of x for which 2 raised to the power 3x plus 1 is equal to 32 is simply x equal to 4 on 3.